Hello. In my previous video, I showed you how you could schedule emails in your Gmail. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can undo sent email. So when you send email to someone, probably mistakenly, and you want to get it back, in Gmail, this is possible. All you need to do is to go to Compose, write the sender, or rather the receiver, subject, and write your email. After that, click send and go there and click undo. You see what happened? Once you click undo, your email will come back here. If you want to update it before you resend, you do whatever you want to do and then you click send. However, you have to do this within 5 seconds of sending the email. Also, if you don't want to send the email anymore, but you want to delete it, you could just go on and delete it so the email wouldn't be sent. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can extend that period of time so that you will be able to get it back probably within, instead of 5 seconds, 30 seconds. So check out the next video and find out how. Thank you.